Welcome back! That's my intro, fuck it. We're going to see my friend Alec because she's buying a brand new bike. She's got a new MT-07 coming, so we're gonna go pick it up today. She's gonna drop off her Trident at the same place, so... Do you know, I actually appreciate him beeping. Oh shit, I didn't have my helmet up. You didn't hear that. Double, triple check your helmets up, people. So the plan is, I think she's booked it in for 8:30 in the morning, so because I am Zacnap today, just so she don't get lost and get the bike back safely. That's the mission for today. Oh fuck it, I'm a cyclist. Hate this handlebar. Do you know, I'm so bored of trying to decide whether I should beep out or keep in me swearing. Not that I swear that much, but I'm gonna do what Steve River does. Count how many swear words I say during the day. You can be specific how many fucks, how many shits. I'll give in, really. I hope none of these are cops. Oh, no one's coming from there. Bugs everywhere on this visor from Ockham. Went to Ockham Tuesday. As soon as I left, fucking bugs started splashing me in the face everywhere. And they're still on my visor. Let's see what that bike could jump the red now, for fuck's sake.
2,000 years later.
Anyway, that's the main hurdle over and done with. Got through that. From here should be a pretty decent ride, so I'll see you when I get there. Bro, you're so close to that fucking car. If I was a car driver, that would piss me off.
I just wanted you to comfort me while I keep my eyes on the road. So take my picture. You told me I'm the one you wanted, you really wanted, but you don't love me like I love you.
One little trick that I usually do, there's like a van like that in front of me. He ain't got an inside mirror and he's blocking my view as well. So I will move to the side a little bit so one, he can see me in his mirror, and two, I've got the view ahead of him. So I know it's that micro that's doing 30 and a 40, so you can prepare for red light stops, junctions if someone's merging or whatnot. So yeah, I'll try and keep this in mind. As long as you can see, you can be seen. Okay, my Cardo just went did-a-do.
I do promise you Alex was there. However, Ricardo decided it does not want to record anymore, so you're stuck with my voice. Good luck.
Be on to bigger and better things. Well, better. Slight difference, but the fact that you're going from a triple to a twin. Instead of 220cc, you're gonna have like 350 per cylinder, which is why you have more torque. So it'll be a lot more like... And it will actually pull and jump and whatnot. Let's filter the front, fuck 'em. We'll still have space, the lorry's okay. We're gonna sneak in behind the learner, because we're gonna go straight. You got this, go for it. Yeah. The fuck is that? Interesting colour. Yeah, learner's around to do it. If you're a learner car driver, you can have the full car. Yeah, car drivers have more privileges, but they're also stricter because you have to have someone who's passed their test for like 3 years and is insured on the car. Obviously bikes don't have that, but... Well yeah, look what happened on our Mod 1. Fucking here's a 650. Come on then. But if I go next to him, I can't see anyway.
Bruh.
We're meant to turn to the right. I don't know how I feel about filtering because it's quite tight here. Sometimes, you know, when it was like really late and there'll be fucking no one on the road. It's just me going brah, brah. Fuck it, should we filter? It's wider now. So wait, I'll make some space. I don't like filtering with this bike because it's such wide handlebars on it. Yeah, it adds to it. Right, we're gonna turn right there, or the roundabout, not here. Oh, he's turning right. Fucking... Yeah, jag pierdolę fucking... Well, we're good. Following? Nice. I'm gonna take up this lane so we got space. Very nice. Look, mum, no hand. Da 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 da. Exit number 2 towards Woking. So the left lane should be okay. Da 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 da. I'm gonna go that way. Oh, that was a bump. You felt it too? We're not far. We're on 4 miles, 11 minutes away. I think there's a little bit of traffic in town. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Do it. Just do it! Third exit, which is straight ahead, by the way. So that's 1, that's 2. We're going behind the trees. No, afterwards. Give me a last rev. Imagine. Overheat, we're broken down. We're good by the looks of it. So it's this one towards the... into the darkness. Behind this guy who does 10 below the limit. We're going straight towards all of all of them signs and logos. I think you probably know the way better now than I do. Oh, shit, that is bad. Half a mile left on your first big bike. Just think about how much you're gonna love the MT. We go down there, turn right. There's a little roundabout, and then we're at Yamaha. Should I let him go? He took the short. It's okay. You okay? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Right, we're gonna go into a roundabout and turn around. It's the simplest way. I'd rather it be me than anyone else, like a car or a cyclist. So it's okay. What are we looking like for parking? I think between the 2 cars, the Mazda and the white one, we have space like where we parked last time, so we should be good. Don't park here, don't park here. Sweet. Yeah. Deal with it. Yeah, they can deal with it after. Nothing happened, it's okay. It's fine. I can't hear you. Is your Cardo on? Ah, hello. I can hear you now. It also stops recording. See, it does it. It's no unit found. Try again, little bitch. Let's see if it survives the journey.
See if we survive the journey.
I'm sure you'll be fine.
I'm fine. Everything's fine.
Yeah.
Everything is
Fire around me.
After the silver car, I'm expecting.
Yeah, clear after him.
Yeah,
I
we'll
can
go. After you.
Oh, wait.
Careful, the car coming the other way.
Oh, okay.
You're good. He's parking up. Right, worst done over.
Do I look a bit taller?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Oh shit, I forgot indicators. Okay.
That's okay. I'm behind you.
Alright.
Or just do what every other MT rider does. Don't indicate.
I turn now.
Good luck, everybody else.
Alright, now stall. Yeah, yeah.
The red light.
Red light. Alright. I don't get too much excitement on the road now.
And don't do the Kuba what you did to me and fucking hit his rear tyre.
Yeah, especially because you actually can't stop properly now.
Once a day, get it out of your system. I already got it out of my system now, so should be fine.
Okay.
These mirrors, they trip me out. I mean, a little bit scary. I'm not used to it. I can actually see people. Hey, look. Alright, don't stall, don't stall. There we go.
Nice. No, it's not just about stalling. Also, don't just do a wheelie.
I'm very conscious of that.
I mean, her bike might do a little skid instead at the moment with these tyres.
Okay, stopping distance. Oh, height-wise, it's not very different to my Trident. So stopping-wise, it's not too bad.
That's good.
Because it seems the same height.
I'm just going to stick to this lane for now because we're going left at the end, so we're not doing too many maneuvers with her on the new bike, yeah? So we're just going to take it easy for now, especially with the brakes and tyres and stuff. We're going to jump onto the 50s in a minute anyway.
Oh, I feel so much taller.
Do you?
Yeah, I do a little bit. I don't know if it's the sitting position and where my hands are, but I guess I'm a little bit more forward, so...
Yeah, because the seat height is different, but your bars are probably higher, so you're actually looking up more, like sitting up more. Because this is a bit more of a supermoto feel on this one. Yeah, we're clear. How are you feeling?
Alright. Gotta get used to the completely different riding position.
Yeah.
There's limitations
Yeah,
where you can't rev it as much at the moment.
Yeah, I'm trying to pay attention to that a little bit as well. But obviously I don't think we're going too quickly.
As long as you're not in first gear, you'll be okay.
No, I'm in fourth right now.
Yeah.
But he did say that if I go over, then it's not a massive deal.
No, of
Don't
course.
hold
Like,
it there.
the bike is not just going to break. Like, these are fucking solid bikes. Like, it will take a lot for you to fuck it up. But if you repeatedly just, you know...
Doesn't mean it's not
pushing it.
possible.
Yeah.
Exactly. So, once you have your first service, you'll be fine. That's when they put the better oil in. For now, you don't have that oil, so your engine is not running the way it's supposed to, technically. It's looser in a way, so things can take themselves apart more, I guess. So we're not even going to speed limit because we can't, so you're absolutely okay. Watch out, big pothole.
I can just feel it, like it's angry underneath me. It's like...
Yeah, that's the twins for you. I told you.
The full
like,
sound of the twin.
yeah, like, you don't just have a twin. You have a very special twin.
So much traffic on a Friday.
Shit.
Oh, okay. That's
I
the
asked-
brakes. Wow, that was a very
They work.
wide. Fucking hell.
I asked them,
Have a good look at this sprocket and chain, because for now it's silver. Who knows when the next time is going to be this colour.
on her bike or my bike?
Her bike.
Oh, yeah, well,
Probably when it gets sold in 2 years.
2 years? I don't think you're going to sell it.
We'll see.
What do you mean by that?
She'll
I
sell it
don't
to
know.
get an MT-09.
I mean, that would be the only reason I would say, but yeah, I think you're going to fall in love with the twin too much to do that. This is the way we went for your test ride last time, do you remember? We came out of this roundabout, we came out of there. So
Yeah.
we took the back roads.
Ooh. Holy.
That was a
That
bump.
was quite a few holes there.
One thing
I don't know why.
that I really wish they did on the MT-07 as well is the quick shifter.
That was...
But we can get that put on.
That would be
Don't really
sick.
fancy it. Yeah.
I mean, I've never had a quick shifter before.
But once you have it, you don't want to not have
You
it.
always want it.
It's such a good thing.
Yeah, for now I'm not extremely bothered. Like, I still switch with...
It's fine. You don't need it for now. You need to get used to the
Yeah.
bike first.
He was showing me the electronics. After
Yeah.
the two first sentences, I was lost. And he looked
It's
at
okay.
me, he saw it, and he was like, but the brake is still in the same place. I was like, okay, thank fuck. That's all I need to know.
Do you know what? Whilst you
Brake
two are
and throttle.
talking about the bikes, he's explaining the same things he did on the test ride, but I could see on your face you're trying to pay more attention this time. Because the
told
bike's not actually yours.
He did ask me, he was like, do you want me to go through it again? And I told him, I was like, I'm not gonna lie, I did not hear anything you said to me the previous time. I was so stressed that I was not listening, I'm not gonna lie. And he was like, okay. And then he told me again, and again, I got nothing.
Alright.
Yeah.
Are you going to
Is he
turn?
gonna turn or...
How
Okay.
new is this driver?
I think first lesson maybe.
Wow.
Oh, crash.
On the left.
Yeah. Both of them have thingies on and they're parked up really weird.
You can't park there, mate. So funny.
I don't know what that Costa was.
Just on the roundabout, no?
Oh, that one. Yeah, sorry. I remember. Oh, they made those speed bumps sharper.
Yeah.
Whoa. That one.
Yeah, here we are. Are you gonna let me through? Thank you.
Cheers, mate.
I'm behind you next to the bin where my bike belongs.
Well,
It does not.
it belongs in someone else's hands. It's not a piece of shit.
Yeah, it's just not your bike. We
Anyway,
have an
we made it.
audience. Yeah, we have an audience as well. Everyone in Costa is staring.